While designing in Keynote, it can be helpful to be able to quickly auto-size the text in a presentation to fit the slide area as needed. Let's add some text by clicking the text box at the top. All the text formatting options are under the Format icon on the right. You can manually style your text or use the Keynote paragraph style for more uniformly formatted text. In this example, I am formatting a resume and I would like to be able to resize my name quickly to fit the text box without having to manually keep increasing and decreasing the font size. To do that, I need to change this text box to auto size. Select your text box. Notice that there are two handles here right now, on the left and one on the right. Go to Format and scroll down to Shapes and Lines and select Reset Text and Object Handles. Now the text box has 8 handles all around, and under Text, Layout, you will notice a new option to auto-size your text. Now I can easily size up or down the text as needed. Sometimes though, the auto-size may stop for you at some point. First, check that the auto-size text under Layout is checked. Then go to Style under Text and increase the maximum font size for auto size. Thanks so much for watching.